Here's Traore at pace. We've got Van Dijk to beat. Fabinho's coming as well. Well, it's got to be really, really good if he's going to score from there. Doherty, that's a lovely ball. And the run is good. Shot was saved by Alisson. Now Fabinho. Mane. Fabinho goes for the return, crosses low, Mohamed Salah, 1-0 to Liverpool. That's Firmino, and Salah's on the charge. Cody's trying to get there. Salah's ridden 2 challenges. He's found Sadio Mane, and on to Adam Lallana, and Rui Patricio has to make the save. Comes to Salah. Towards Van Dijk! Brilliant from Liverpool. Brilliant from Virgil van Dijk. It's his first Premier League goal in the colours of Liverpool. The ball is inside the defender to Mo Salah. Scored one and set one up already tonight. Nearly got himself another there. Liverpool have really nullified them. And this is coming to Wijnaldum. Well, that would have sealed top spot in style. Liverpool, top at Christmas, still winning, still not conceding goals, and Jurgen's still smiling. Wolverhampton Wanderers 0, Liverpool 2.